Okay, only whether this video, Kara Metaka share button, share this video. A other go. This case of Lucky Udu and the Sky B. I don't know why our people are becoming ungrateful. Our people are becoming so ungrateful. As in a name elu, okwana anumanu ke emelu ogo. Obulogo bofia. Anumanu ke emelu ogo. Obulogo bofia. It is almost becoming difficult to help people these days. Because they help Shandem mother. They will practice their wickedness on you. In fact, they will show more love to the people oppressing her, to the people humiliating her, to the people neglecting her, and show wickedness to Ngoma that decided to have pity and mercy on them. If you are not careful, they may even connive and conspire with those people who never even want them to succeed against you. So, what I am saying is that most people in Yelaka will like to flex their muscle on you. They will like to use you as a practical for their wickedness. So that is why some of these big men, because the first place to start looking for people's trouble is to help them. The moment you decided, okay, I want to help this person, he could go open Oka. And the fact is that the moment he decided he help, they will tell you 1,000 reasons why they could have done that thing. They will tell you 1,000 reasons why, how they can do that, whether or not. They will even, if you are not even careful, they may even say that after all, they are almost doing better even before Ebia. Look at Sky B. I'm an odoka. Nya oduko onya ngwopụtara na dosbin mgbe Lucky Udu meeting pụtara ịbịa gwa anyị na na live comfortable bi na rent na gono ọwụrụ na live comfortable na rent ebe nwanụ before keri ife attract Lucky Udu na ebe nọ keri ife melu Lucky Udu ji wee signal go ọ hapụrụ Abuja ebe ọ nọ chọrọ obi Port Harcourt. Why must it be you? You ever go? So the fact is that they will always look for a way to show you that without you, they are fault finders. They find more fault in you, help than even people who does. Look, let me tell you, I found out that now this world they celebrate the wicked people. This world they celebrate the wicked people, and different people who are so easy, evaluate because. Nke ahụ ụtala afụfụ wee nweta onye spend more than 10 years, 20 years telling people how he or she managed to achieve that, what it took her, what it took him, if all pass it through. But nke ahụ nwetara so easily, onye take 1 year, 2 years, 3 years trying to tell people that even without you, no can achieve it. Or be very sad. Only so. Now people may get into that rubbish story. That rubbish story. Look, that Sky B nako. Then a man in will be mother. This is why people with issues you know where was the moment you want to go manu go and look at every single person. More than 70% of people decided to come out and help people out of their own free will. We are gradually driving to the point where helping people in this generation will be almost impossible. Why you go on and they help gonna hire them? What of those people neglect? What of those people following going on at that condition? Look elsewhere. Ofodo a collaboration burn down. Ofodo them trying to help you is an opportunity for you to step on their head, to cry sympathy so that people can come and help you. You have to use them as a bait to attract sympathy to yourself. It has happened so many places. And the fact that we are not even learning, because during the time of Ogechi and the Mirabel, Lucky Udu jumped in this same case. Now look at this Bini blogger, I jump on his own matter. The same ones will jump on Ogechi. Now, Okial, the story of Ogechi. Because story of Ogechi and Mirabel can as well be the same with the story Nyanwa and the Sky B. Now you cry, you are crying now, you want people. We are not learning. And you can do a bonus solo. Throw away sympathy. Not sympathy. Throw away your emotions so that you can be able to read in between the lines. While throwing away sympathies, look away from tears and the lamentation. Sometimes ndawo hana chukwu hana ka complain. Ndawo hana chukwu hana ebakwa the loudest. So when you begin to look at their lamentation, when you begin to listen to their complaint, when you begin to see the tears, you will think that you innocent. Was that innocent? Now that they were bold and courageous, because that clear conscience fears no accusation. You made mistake to be now had the build. Then the swinging can we devil incarnate. It's a free Oblonia with a patology way identify with one Yonisha against Ogechi. Because almost exactly, it is exactly Ifemelu in the case of Ogechi and the Mirabel. Wunya Ifemelu na the case of Lokudu, where the other person now accuse Ogechi, now Nakoshari go with the NGO, made this one. Against the fact, you don't even care to go and dig up the fact. Now, your own case, Abego, you are now crying to Nigerians that they don't want to hear your own part of the story. We are not learning. We are not learning. Believe me, another person actually look at the same story. You will also want to jump in. You will also want to jump in. When are we going to start learning to caution people? Because the moment I know my instrument and two for these ungrateful people to be getting away with their nonsense, it will never end. Sometimes man to bela kwa pekutelu e show where e agudunisi makase na epanisi kije na mo mananka wonya o belu ha kwa pekutelu e mamma di ikpe ke na amonya ikpe ke na amonwe ikpe. It is becoming almost impossible to help people. As a practical, can't value those people who do mean to them. If you see the Hana struggle, now show face in that do mean to them. And I say, oh, goodness, man, want to calm, want to simple, want to easy going, want available and accessible. They will abuse you due to familiarity. They will no due to familiarity. But those people who now form James Bond, those people who they wicked, those people are actually do her face. They can do anything just to seek the face of those people. You find out that sometimes he help sharp people. He just team up with those people. How may I complain? Na half for her, na had your ife, no way if me her, na had your ife, no way if me her. He just team up with those people against you. They will even locate your enemies wherever they are, just to collide and connive with your enemies, just to deal with you, because email available for them, or the very bad. This issue of madu nechalo madaka on afio na wo, yes, more ways to go to Sky B na wo na wo ni wife. Let us even assume that name will an atom of truth in if that young man a whoop people are marquano. It trend the work again. If you use it very nicely, it will be to your own advantage. But you shows, even if you want to trend again, must you trend on top of the head of Onye Jebo Potago almost a baby go? Almost now people are forgetting about you. Any go people are more in a exist. Somebody will Potago. When you want to look at what spirit of gratitude is like, go and look at how Jakota is celebrating Ndigbo today. Celebrating Ndigbo. It is the same thing. Ndigbo melo Jakota. All the same thing Kemelu. You gotta go. All the same thing Kemelu. Now somebody introduce you back to the world. It is an opportunity for you to use it to your own advantage. I'm not interested in all those stories, because I know that there is with 70% chances no nwere ike na-atụ ụga. Yes, because who made the first move? Who made people to start talking about you again? Yes, so you can as well even start up a life again with the little exposure on your. You got to go account I follow like you do TV, because people now forget it so easily. Account I follow like you do TV from day one. Who account to Sky B? Let us not kai say kauko ogono when they send the go na kelafaya na NGO account. Kerife say ojukopota nwanne I don't be interested na all those things wonako. Man even neku, why is it that na this kind of issue na apotake between some people showing in them madaka and the hanyelaka? Why na such na ya apota na ndị neglect rego? Check it on you. Because it is coming to a point whereby na mmadụ nwee problem people are never into, because number one so one ebe kona nwere ọkpata ha strength ọha ebe a onye pick a single fault ụfọdụ ihe pick sharp fault pick ugboro ne ha kpọrọ gị pick. Yes, ugboro ne ha kpọrọ gị pick o chefuo na mgbe ahụ ọ na na-emebe no nwere ike ịga na mmiri na-anwa ya anwa shọwa anyị ebe ọwụna ịnọ, mana the moment ọ kpatara ume ọdụ ka agụ that picture esere ebe mmadụ weje milk na-enye agụ n'ọnụ, agụ ahụ buo wee rie onye ahụ. So each time they want to show their muscle, they start with you. All of us has become victims of this, but we still don't want to learn. Nke ahụ mere ugwu nwere onye ọ na-emekịta itimukwa up with the oppressor na cry n'onye ahụ victim. Itimukwa up agwa m ndị mmadụ na most places ebe ị na-afụ poor man na big man na-enwe okwu. No poor man na-adụ at fault mana ihe ekwe, but you want na-emegbu ihe na-intimidate ihe na-agba ya ọkụka na maka na o nwere ego ka eji eme ya ife. Yes, mana in most places all fanwa na-anọ at fault because problem ha na-adụ too much vindictiveness, bitterness, a na-atakọ a na-abụkọ even ị na-ebi ya ụma ya uche ya edo ebe a. Many of them n'olu onye ahụ ifeọma mechasịcha onye ahụ ifeọma uwere unyi ị na-ata na-abụ onye ahụ n'obi ọ na-ata na-abụkwụsịghị anya, and we are not learning. If Alokudu na pass through, a lot of people pass through, Ogechi pass through, a lot of you and a lot of us are go through this kind of things. Ebe ya taba afụtacha afụfụ ndị ọzọ abịa ihe the fruit of our fatal. Ndị niile neglect ndị ahụ ha ya abịazi, they will make them their best friends. All the people that said no to them will become their best friends. You that made yourself available will be the enemy. Etara afụtachasịcha afụ ndị ọzọ abịa rie utolo, abịa rie glory and the benefit of afụfụ etara. A na-ekwue ọdụ ka ọ na-agụrụ mere. Ịghọtago? So ka m hapụgodukwa ya ebe a, share this video. I am hoping that one day we are going to learn, because that story, that painful story with the people in Yelaka, people now pass through it now. You are still colliding, you are still supporting the people. Yeah, a model no in our marking good. Because if I another person I'm not going at the picture, he should follow the same fate before another person. He collide the what? Join the Kwatimukwa up with the same oppressors like those who oppressed you. When will we ever stop history from repeating itself again? That will be the day we throw away sentiment, we throw away emotion, and embrace sense and reasoning. Reality, that will be the day. Onye behavior is shown when say my friend Konifa say bapo. Onye merugi fedoto, onye merugi fedoto. Onye merugi fedoto, onye merugi fedoto. Otoka yasi na nde obere mmadụ a na-atakọ ka na-abụkọ oge ọ na ha na-agụkọ ọmụgboro n'ọkpọ na fon pikio ọmụgboro n'ọgara ike na-ehe weda na-efu ya ọ na-efu ha oche n'ife ị na-eche ka ọ na-eche ụmụọ n'ife ị na-eche dị iche nke ọ na-eche dị iche. They always want to suppress you and place you where they will. They you know, and some of them, the moment the little money bara ha aka, they can never reciprocate quarter of. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha ị na-eme na-edo humble na-eme ife ị na-emegodo ego bụ ụfọdụ n'ime ha aka yari eru ebifa zọrọ ọkpa azọ. Let that one be the topic of another day. You got to go. Some of them, if I had a claim mgbe ha nọ the other side of the world. You will see the real color not in them. Share this video. Share this video. Ezugo.